So next, we're ready to move on to step 2. The book lists step 2 here as read for gist. And gist means reading for the main idea. What is this article mainly about? Okay, that's the definition of gist. So what's the overall idea of the article? What's the main idea? We're going to also use this as a guiding question. The book has helped you by making a question for you. It is very helpful to read to answer questions. So we've already made predictions about what we think is true or false related to these statements. Now we're going to use this guiding question. What did Brownsville, Texas do to make the community healthier? And in the article, it's going to give you a list of several different things, several different initiatives that Brownsville, Texas did to make the community healthier. When you're finished reading, I'm going to ask you to answer that question in your own words, and then we'll move to part B, identifying the main idea, and we'll talk about how to finish this sentence.